to the script lab. In this video, we will learn how to use VS Code and GitHub Copilot to develop iOS application. We will exploring AI assisted code tool. So let's get started. The first, we will create an iOS application. So let's open Xcode and choose find new project. Press on the next button. Project name, script, UI, boost, cam. Press on the next button. Choose the place to save your project. I choose desktop. Press on create button. It is the simple project. We have the content view to display the UI and the app file and the test target, UI test target. Uh, we will not use Xcode, so close it and open the VS Code. I already have VS Code installed in my Mac. And to run the iOS application using VS Code, you will need some extension. Press on the extension button and search for script. Yeah, this extension. Press install button, the blue button. Okay. You also need another extension script pass. This extension. Press install button too. With your extension, we install it. We now can run the iOS application using VS Code. So let's open the project we created before. Open folder, go to the desktop, open script UI bootcamp, open. We have the folder for our course, and we have the schema, we have the test schema. To run the iOS application, we using script pass. Press on script pass, and you can see script UI bootcamp schema here. So press on the play button to run it. To the targets. So we use iPhone 16 to run the application. Build sessions. The simulator start here. Open it. This is really simple UI of our project, right? So we will try to using VS Code to develop this app. Open the file content and then try to write some code like I want to create a simple login screen. Try to test. We can see the VS Code now don't have the autocomplete for coding like Xcode. So like we will try to install the GitHub Copilot for assist our coding. So press on the extension, search for Copilot. To the GitHub Copilot, press on install button. We also want to use the GitHub Copilot chat to assist our code, review our code uh, while develop application. So let's install it. I already installed it before. Uh, Now back to our course and try to write some code. Now it's auto suggest new code like stress, firebase, var, username, photo string, the password. Really quick, right? Now we will have the username text field, password, secure password text field, and the login buttons. That it suggests the new code like this. So try to press on the tab button to apply the suggestion. Okay, really quick, right? And back to script path to be able to run it to see how it changed. Press on run button. View success. Boom. Yeah, we have the login screen right it. Now I want to refactor my code because I don't want the logic and the GUI on the same file because when my project scale up, then it become really big file. So let ask Copilot chat to refactor our code. Let's chat with it. I will open from more space with the GitHub Copilot. In the case you don't see this menu like this, you can press on the toggle chat button here. I will ask Copilot in the content view. I want to separate the logic and GUI. We have refactor. Press enter. Or yeah, now the GitHub Copilot suggests we with the new code, we can press on the button to copy to create a new file, or we can just insert into the new file. Press on this button and insert a new file. Now we have the logic and the GUI separated. Yeah, now we handle the login action here, like validate the username, password, and call the login API. Now inside the view, we use the view model to access the username, access the password, and call the action like view model does login. Now let's try to run it to see if it's success. Yeah, build success now. Open it. Yeah, try to the username like something like 1, 2, 3. Press on the login button so we can see the print statement print here in the we can write code here. It will set quicker than when compared with Xcode. So that's all about the setup. iOS application running on VS Code, and you using VS Code to develop iOS application. Hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, please press the thumb up button and subscribe the channel to get more video coming up. Thank you.